Hello friends, it's been a while I had not made any video. So after a couple of months I have come up with a video on schematic creation in PATS Logic. If you find my video useful, please like and subscribe my channel and share it with your friends. From here onwards I will teach you complete PCB designing from schematic creation to Gerber generation in PATS layout. So let's start without wasting any time. I am going to start this is a circuit I have taken from Google. Simply it is small circuit, so because it is easy to understand in this circuit. Now let's okay, so let's open PATS Logic, go to start a new design. uh, we can take here that capacitor, resistor, oscillators, diodes. So here add part, this is add part means you have to take new part from the library of inbuilt library of PATS software. So go to add part. I will show you how to take resistor capacitors from the library. See, go to all libraries, make it resistor star. Like yes, you can see so many registers came. Take register 0805. I have BOM also for this, but that package details are not available in it. So values are there. You can take 0805 resistor capacitor, SMD all resistor capacitor you can take. Add. Then similarly you can take capacitor. Diode. Then transistor, LED switch. These all we can take here. User. Star. Crystal. Please watch it carefully what I am doing. So I think I have taken all the components here. Okay, so let's start. Take resistor. You can rotate 90 degrees. Control R is the shortcut key for rotating. Then capacitor. Add. Here you can make duplicate of it, like copy paste, and take transistor. And need to take LED and go to add part. Control R is the shortcut key. You can use that also. Control R is for rotation. So everything I have made in proper way. Now I can add connection here. This is the add connection. F2 is the shortcut key for adding connection. First just connect it with battery. Common connection. See that this dot will come, that it should come because it is showing that it is connected with that ground. This I have to make ground here. How you can make ground? Go to add connection and go to ground. This is, you can take ground here. Make it in one line. completed the circuit. Now I have BOM also, as I have told you. We can change the name like R1, R2, R3 as per the BOM, and values also we need to add in the schematic. So let's start with R1. Here R1 value is 2k, but in my BOM the value is 27k. So we can change it here 27k. Okay. R2 value is 1k. R2 here also we can change it 1k. We here need to make connection that connected with R2 emitter. Now R3 value 560 ohms. R3 560 ohms. C1 is 0.001 microfarad. Where is our C1? Here it is 1 microfarad. You can change it 0.001 microfarad. Now C2 value is 100 microfarad. 100 microfarad. Okay. Now C3 is again 0.001 microfarad. So C3 0.001 microfarad. Okay. Now S1 switch C4 0.004 microfarad. 0.004 microfarad. S1 switch. So let's see where is S1. Here it is J1. To J1 we can change to S1. S1. Okay. Here you can see that value only ref is coming, value is not coming. So for this, what we can do, go to visibility, but in attributes value has not been added in this. So we have to add the value. So go to attributes. Let's see, attributes, add value, and what value here? In value you can switch, you can make it here switch. Okay, now still it is not visible, so go to visibility. Okay, since you can see here the switch has come. Now LED, green LED you can make. LED. Okay, here go to attributes, add value, green LED. Okay, visibility value, but I don't want. Okay, the green LED came. Now U1, this is Y1, this we have to change to U1. Okay, crystal oscillator. That part number is not yet given here. Q1 and Q2 is BC550. Q1 here also, go to attributes, add value BC550. Okay, then again go to visibility value. Okay, same thing have to do here. Attributes, add value BC550. Visibility value visible. Okay, now see battery is 12 volts, so here we have to connect to power. Power, go to properties, 12 volt, apply. Okay, so here I have completed the schematic generation. I can save this file. I am going to save it to video projects. Okay, white noise generator. Save. So friends, in this video I have taught you how to make schematic creation and how to change the value, how to assign value, how to show visibility of parts and all. So in my next video I am going to teach you how to generate netlist, how to assign footprints in this, and how to import in pads layout. So part by part I am going to teach you how to create how to design PCB in pads layout. Thank you so much for watching. Please like and subscribe my channels. Thank you once again.